Hey traders, I hope you all are doing well, and in this video today I'm going to share with you how to set proper stop loss and take profit targets. Okay, so for this purpose we will be using one of the most popular indicator, that is ATR, which we also call average true range. It is available in any of the platform. If you are using MT4, so you can go and directly find it over here, the first place. All right, or you can also find it here. All right, so I have already used this indicator over here. Okay, so you can see it. So the default setting is 14 period, and that is quite okay. Will not be making any changes to it. All right, so how will we using this? So first, at any chart we'll be identifying the ATR price. All right, so let's say current the ATR is 1.5 in gold. That means 15 pips. That means an average candle is traveling 15 pips, it says. Okay, you can see this candle travel like 16 to 17 pips, and some candles are traveling less and more. So the average, the range of a particular candle in this particular time frame is 15 pips for now. Okay, so it keeps on changing by the time. If you go into the 1 hour chart, you can see it changes, right? So in 1 hour it's traveling like 38 pips per hour. All right, it's an average range. All right, so how we use it, let's say to it. So we use it like for a stop loss we take 1.5 ATR into account. Okay, so it is very standard practice. If you want to make changes into that, you are free to do that, but according to my strategy I will be using 1.5 ATR for a stop loss and 1 ATR for the first take profit. All right, so if I take a trade, let's say here, okay, so I'll be taking 1 point. What is the ATR level here? Let's check it first. So your ATR is like 46 pip here. All right, so we go to calculator, we calculate like 46 into 1.5. all right, so 69 pp is our stop loss. All right, so if you place your stop loss trade here, let's say, then 69 pips, that is almost here, is your stop loss. All right, place your stop loss here and look how accurate it is. Okay, it will, if you place your trade here, it will just like come to your stop loss and it won't hit your stop loss and it will get back. All right, so we place our stop loss at 1.5 ATR and we take half of the trade off the table at 1 ATR, that is at 46 pip, somewhere around here. All right, so guys, this reading can be sometimes very difficult for beginner traders, though expert traders use it in a very easy fashion. But as I am creating this video for beginners, so I'll be using a tool indicator which will directly show you the stop loss and TP point. Like here, if you place your trade at the end of this candle, then let's see, if you place a buy here, your TP will be set here and your stop loss will be placed here. All right, so here you can see that your TP is 46 pip and your stop loss is 69 pips, and if you place a trade here, you win the trade. So when you win your half trade, then you move your stop loss to break even and you write the rest of the trade. All right, so this is the way we use stop loss and TP. All right, so at any point of the time. Let's say you sell here, all right? So you sell here, your take profit will be set at this level. You just go and set your take profit at this level, like, and set your stop loss at this level. When price hits this level, you close half trades and you run the rest. All right, so at any period of the time you can use this indicator. Let's say if you are in trading in 4 hour, it will set your stop loss and TP according to the 4 hour, right? Let's say you buy here, all right? So your stop loss will be placed here and your first take profit will be here. Then you break even your trade and your break even will get stopped out in this case. All right, so this tool has made it very easier. So I am using this tool. It is called no nonsense ATR. It is designed by some programmers and it's excellent tool. So how to use this indicator, let's see. All right, so this is the setting. So here I have used ETR period of 14, which is default. You also can leave it as a default, okay? And you can set your take profit like this, like I have set 1 ATR and your stop loss multiplied to 1.5 ATR. all right? If you want to take like 2 trades, okay, so you can take 2 trades and you can book half trade at 1.5 ATR, sorry, and you can let all the rest trade run till your exit indicator says you to get out. All right, so I hope this is very clear. So if you want to have this tool, this is available free of cost. I'll give a link to it where you can go and download this indicator, and this will make your trade very easier. Okay, so at any period of the time you do not have to worry about you're finding your stop loss and TP. Let's say you are trading in a 5-minute chart, for instance, okay, and according to your entry strategy, let's say this is your entry, so you just click your mouse here and click again for sale. It will tell you where to place your TP. Okay, so it says place TP at first TP at here and stop loss at here and write the rest trade. All right, so I hope this is very clear to you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe this channel if you haven't done it yet, because I'll be sharing very valuable contents in coming days. All right, thank you so much guys, take care, bye bye.